The first letter is O, okay? O. O, that is the name of this letter, is the O letter. Okay, we've got a capital O here and a lowercase o. But the sound it makes in words is O, O, O. It's a vowel sound, it's an open mouth sound, so you need to keep your mouth nice and open. O. Everybody say O. Okay, so let's put this letter into some words then. Okay, first one is odd. 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 Okay, the number is odd. Okay, maybe it's the number 3 or 5 or 7 or 9 or 1. Okay, these are odd numbers. Or you could say that is odd if something strange is happening. Odd. Okay, so there we have 3 letters, 1, 2, 3, making 2 sounds. Odd. 1, 2. Okay, we don't say odd, it's just odd. Okay, so the 2 d letters just make 1 d sound. Odd. Okay, so going on to our next word, which is octopus. Okay, octopus. Okay, o, k, t, o, p, s. Octopus. O, k, t, o, p, s. Octopus. Okay, so here we have the O sound and we have the O sound as well. So sometimes this letter can make the O sound. Not very often, but it can. Okay, so it makes the O sound and O sound in the same word, which is interesting. O, k, t, o, p, s. Octopus. And also, it's quite an interesting word because it's quite a long word, 7 letters, and there's no digraph, trigraphs, or quadgraphs in it. So it's a long word with only single letter sounds. Okay, octopus. Okay, super. So let's go on to our last one then, which is donkey. D, o, n, k, e. Donkey. D, o, n, k, e. Donkey. Okay, got the O sound here. D, o, n, k, e. Donkey. We've got the digraph E at the end there. Okay. Y making E at the end of a word. Donkey. Okay. The donkey is in the farm and the octopus is in the aquarium. Could be 2 sentences there. Okay, so let's go over them all again. Make sure you're saying it with me at home. O, o, odd, odd, odd. Octopus, o, k, t, o, p, s. Octopus. And donkey, d, o, n, k, e. Donkey. Okay, so for watching today, please remember to like the video and subscribe as well. It would be great help growing the channel. Also, please share the video and leave a comment as well. Thanks again.